telling you that this is impossible. Are you deaf? Okay, I'll try. Don't kill me.
Tibor, we have a visitor.
Really? Who is he?
Kate, come here.
Hello, Tibor. I'm sorry to bother you, but I didn't know who to turn to.
Tibor, this is Kate. Professor Peter's wife. You know him, don't you?
I know him only by his name.
Well, you know he writes books. Now the Sorbonne University invited him to lecture on his new theories.
I am afraid something has happened to my husband. He stopped calling me and answering my calls.
Don't worry, Kate. He is fine. He enjoys his stay in Paris. Paris has so much to offer to men.
No, he isn't like other men. He hates fun. He is interested only in his theories. He is in danger, I tell you. Otherwise, he would call me. He knows how worried I am if he doesn't.
Oh, God, is this heavy? I will visit my friend in Paris. She was an English teacher, just like me. We attended the same seminars and became friends. Do you also go for a visit?
No, I was invited to the Sorbonne to lecture on languages and present my book of prophecies.
Wow! You are a prophet. Can you give me the book?
Sorry, but I never let anybody touch my books with their dirty hands. Besides, I have only one copy and it's down in the suitcase.
I don't have dirty hands.
Everybody has dirty hands.
Wait! Are you Professor Peter from Slovenia?
Yes, I am.
Welcome to Paris, Professor. I've been looking for you everywhere. I was afraid you changed your mind.
Thank you, but I'm not staying.
What do you mean? Why?
My suitcase was stolen. That wretched woman who was sitting next to me took it. And my prophecies, which are a treasure to me, were in it. I should never have accepted your invitation. Never. I'm going home. I'm leaving right away.
You'll go with me to the police office.
But why? He hasn't done anything wrong.
I am not so sure. That's why I will take him to the police station.
No, you will not. The professor is an honorable guest of the Sorbonne, so he will go with me. Unless you want to deal with the Ministry of Foreign Affairs and the Sorbonne headquarters.
And who are you to give orders here?
I'm Isabel, a student at Sorbonne University. At my request, the Sorbonne headquarters has invited this esteemed linguist to lecture about the secrets of languages for the next 3 weeks. Professor, let's go. Officer, when you find the professor's suitcase, send it to the Sorbonne.